This is the brand new Google Pixel 7. Let's unbox it together. It's available in 3 different colors: snow, a lemongrass, which is a yellowy-green, and this one, which is Obsidian. Now, the back of the phone is covered with Gorilla Glass, which is a little bit slippery, and then the camera housing for that wide and ultra-wide camera has a nice matte finish that looks really sharp in person. It does have a USB-C cable and an adapter to switch from an older phone, but no power brick. But that's just how it goes these days. A 6.3-inch display on the Pixel 7. At the bottom of the display in the center, there's a fingerprint sensor, which you can use to unlock your phone and pay for things, and that front-facing camera can also unlock your phone. That's a very quick intro to the Google Pixel 7. What do you think of Google's latest phone?